Hi everyone, welcome back. We are designing role center. That is step-by-step tutorial to design a role center page. And this is part 4. We are going to see how to design a card part in the role center. So the first part we have discussed about the navigation menu and the navigation bar. And in the second part we have discussed about the action bars, how to display this. And in the third part we have discussed about the headlines, how to add this headlines, what are the qualifier, what is emphasis, everything. And today we are going to discuss about this card part, how to bring this card part in Business Central role center page. So before we proceed, I'll be explaining like what is a card part, what are the where we can use these card parts, okay, everything. So stay with me till the end. And this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe now. And you can find the playlist related to Business Central in my channel. So this is the first playlist. This is MBA 20 practice question. This is MBA 20 modules. Here I'm clearly explaining each and every module in MBA 20. And this is AL Career Readiness Bootcamp, and this is for Functional Consultant 41 Days Business Central Bootcamp, and this is a 21 days challenge for Business Central, that is AL coding. And you can, if you scroll down, you can find another a few more playlists. This is MB 800. If you are preparing for MB 800, you can find the tutorial videos here. And this is for the developers, like Business Central technical tutorial. You can find all the role center page design here in this video, in this playlist, okay. And this is my GitHub page. You can find all the coding here, like whatever the coding which I'm discussing. So this coding you can access it from here. If you just click on this more, you can go and find my GitHub page here, okay. So you can find it. And next one is what, if you want, if you have any questions and if you want to discuss that with me, you can schedule a call with me here. This is my Topment account, so the link is in the description. You can find the link in the description and schedule the call. And this is the ebook store. You can find various important ebooks for your preparation, like AL programming, interview questions for Business Central developer and functional consultant, techno functional checklist, and everything. You can find it here, okay. So let us discuss about the today's topic. So we are going to design the card part in the role center page. So first let us understand what is the card part, okay. So card part is flexible canvas that can be used to display almost any page control, such as fields like a queue tiles, charts, images, or control add-ins. So this card part can be displayed in role center page. So that is what we are going to see now. Like a fact boxes on the page, you can also display the fact box like a fact box on the page, okay. Your regular page, you can keep the card part as a fact box, okay. And you can also display that in the document page, okay. You can display that in the worksheet page. You can display that in the list page, list plus page, okay. And you can also, like in the setup, you can set up in the wizard as well. So this role center, that is a card part, is possible only in these types of pages and the role center page. So let us see. I have already um, written the code here, okay, in order to make it very easy for us to discuss how this card parts work like, okay. So the card part, as I told, it's like you can just make the that is a page into a easily viewable form. That is what the card part. So to create a card part, the very first thing you have to do is what the page type, you have to make it as a card part. It's a page, it's a type of a page, you have to make it as a card part. And you can tell what is the source table, from which table you wanted to bring it. So here you can see that this is okay. So this is a card part, okay. And these are the few data which I want to display here. So that is why I'm just showing that in the card part, okay. Number of codes and number of sales, number of orders and everything. So here you can see it should be under the queue group, Okay, so here you have under you have the fields. What are the field you wanted to display? And this is a queue group if you wanted to display the data as a queue tiles. Okay, and the first tile I want to display the number of quotes, the second tile I want to display the number of orders, third tiles I want to display the number of invoices. Okay, so these three things I have shown, and application area is equal to all. You can just leave it until the application area is equal to all. What is this drill down page id? So this is important. So if I click on any tile, okay, it should take me to that particular page. If I click on this number of orders, it will take me to that particular page. That is what the drill down page id. So I am just keeping the drill down page id here. If I click on this number of codes, it should take me to the sales code page. Okay, if I click on the number of orders, it should take me to the sales order list. If I click on the number of invoices, it should take me to the invoice list. Okay, so this is how the drill down page id, basically it will take us to that particular page. Like it will take us down towards the particular page, it will open the page. So we have created the card part here. Okay, so under the layout, under the area content, so it has been created. Now let us see like where we have to use this card part. So in the previous video, the headline part we have added in the group, which is a group one, and I'm just going to use this card part. Okay, the card part name is what? Customer sales history. I'm just going to use this card part, customer page history. Another part, okay, you can either name it as part 1, part 2, okay, or else you can just go ahead with the customer sales, whatever. You're just giving a name for the part, and then this is the exact card part page you are just trying to access, and I'm just giving application area is equal to all. If you want to filter, if you want to use some more expressions to that, you can also use that. Okay, so once if you have done that, if you save and execute the code, you can find the card part here. Okay, you can just see if you just click, it will take you to the, this is what the drill down page id. So in the next video we will discuss about the list part, okay, and how to display the list part inside the. So before that, you can go and explore what is list part and then come back. So this is my blog, so I'll be writing all these things in my blog. So you can see here already I have written about the role center page. I'm also uploading the task for the business central users, and if you see if you just scroll down, you can see that part I have already started writing about the designing role center, creating the navigation menu, navigation bar. So I'll be writing for the second one as well, like part 2, part 3 and part 4. So you can find the complete code here. Okay, so I'll meet you soon in the next video on designing the list part. I have already discussed about the queues and tiles. You can go and check that. With the list part, that is with the part 5, our role center design tutorial is completing, like I'll be completing that there. If you have any specific queries, please leave that in the comment section. Thank you, take care, and bye bye. I'll meet you soon.